You've heard wonderful views from a lot of speakers that safety is not a choice, safety is a must. And safety is a way of life, safety is a culture, and safety has to be put ahead of everything. And I think very wonderfully summed up by our chief guest, planning, execution, and operation of safety measures is a very, very important thing to go forward. This said, with one concluding remark, I'd like to conclude the whole thing. EHS is not an EHS head's job. Safety is not an EHS head's job. It's a managing director's job. That's the key thing. If it is not headed by the managing director or CEO, the importance is not given. And that should be the summary message that should be taken. And managing director, just to sum up, is the one who manages the directors and directs the managers. And he has to take care of this function. And we have heard a couple of things about UCIL, which always will come up when safety is an issue. You'll be surprised to note 41 years after the accident, as of today, the waste was still lying inside the premises. And because people didn't know how to handle that material. Very recently, I'm proud to say, this material has been transported and disposed of at the Pitampura facility, but it has taken 41 years to take care of any issue that happens of that scale. With that, I'd like to conclude this session to thank all the participants for coming here and take back the wonderful message and try to implement these measures. I'd like to thank each and every speaker for taking time and coming here, and don't want to name everybody and spend everybody's time here. Thank you all very much for being here.